Happy Monday, guys. Hope you're all crushing it out there. So check it out. It's almost 11 a.m. right now on the East Coast. And guys, we have a lot of green in the stock market. Listen to this. The Russell is up over 2.3%. The Nasdaq's up around 0.4%. The S&P's up 0.5%. And the Dow's up around, let's see, almost 1%, as the VIX is down almost 2%. So guys, we have to do an update here on these charts, do a breakdown on stocks I'm looking at, where my head's at overall. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Come on, guys, and get your free stocks for a moo. Check out the link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, cheers to that. The clock's ticking. You only have a couple more days to do that. So use the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo and let's get right into the video. So check it out. Like I said, we're looking green across the board with the small caps leading the breakout today, guys, with the Russell completely taking out the highs from 2 weeks ago. And now I think we're almost at all-time highs. Wait, we might have just hit an all-time high. Wait a second. We did. Oh, man. There we go. Russell 2000, excuse me, guys, officially hit an all-time high today with this breakout, which is remarkable, right? So we got the initial breakout earlier this month. We got to about 2440, so we almost got to all-time highs earlier this month. Then we got the pull down. We retested 2300 old resistance as support. Also, right by the 50 SMA, we bounced off of it, which, by the way, we called this out. Did I not call out IJR a couple of days ago, guys? This small cap ETF, this Russell ETF, this ended up going from 118 to 128. We called it out here on the channel a couple of days ago. So the Russell is on fire, no doubt about it. SPY might just be about $1 away from all-time highs. Yeah, we are almost there. We hit 601 about 2 weeks ago, and earlier today we hit, yeah, look at that, $600.86. So we almost hit an all-time high on SPY today. We're looking really good overall on the chart, about to break out. It looks like it, right? Maybe we're getting set up beautifully right now for a Santa Claus rally, a Christmas rally, whatever the heck you want to call it. And on QQQ, if I pull this up, we are looking good as well. We're continuing to break out of this downwards little channel we were in for a couple weeks. We're above the moving averages now on the 4-hour chart, looking great. 516 was the high, it looks like, from 2 weeks ago. That's the all-time high. So that's well within striking distance at this point. And the Dow, guys, hit another all-time high as well, just like the Russell, man. 44,815 points is the fresh all-time high on the Dow as of me making this video right now. Unreal, man. Unreal. This thing keeps on going. And now, just looking at the 4-hour chart, the Dow off the lows from 37,600, it is up around 19%. Very big move for the Dow here, guys, over the last couple of months. It's been remarkable. So let me show you now some stocks that are moving. And by the way, hit that like button. Don't forget to do that. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. I was looking at my analytics. I think 75% of you guys watch the videos, but you're not subscribing. So, guys, if that's you, make sure to subscribe. We're trying to get to 50,000 subs this year. I don't know if it's possible. We're going to try. And, of course, next year, 100,000 subs. That's the goal. So, guys, make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all for tuning in. As always, look, BBY is moving, heading into earnings. Best Buy is reporting earnings. I think tomorrow, let me zoom in and see here. Best Buy, yes, tomorrow in the morning, and we're already starting to see a big move. BBY stock is up over 6% right now, and we're taking out the highs. Not only, let me actually clear the drawing set so you guys can see it a bit clearer, not only from last week, but the week before that, maybe, the week before that, maybe even the week before that. Let's just say BBY heading into earnings tomorrow morning is up to a multi-week high, a 4 or 5 week high at this point, which is great news. We're breaking out. Let me draw the trend line so you guys can see it. We're breaking out of $94. Now we're at $95. Looking really good here. We're breaking out of the 180 SMA. And I've said before on BBY, guys, I'll say it again. The chart on the 1 year looks really good. We're overall holding an uptrend. We got a bit overbought at 103 when we hit it earlier this year. We actually double topped at 103, got a much needed pullback, and look, we held trend. So BBY, granted, if earnings are bad, this could easily reverse, but if earnings go very well, if guidance is strong, expect this trend here to continue, right? Very, very, very important to watch BBY here, man. I'm telling you, it's not the most fancy, sexy stock, whatever you want to call it, but, it could make us some money, potentially. Of course, do your own research. Full disclosure, I don't own it right now, but, I'm eyeing it up into earnings tomorrow, no doubt about it. Let me see what else is moving here, guys. We do have Shopify continuing to move, which is remarkable considering the massive move post earnings. But then again, I guess it did cool off a bit from 115 to about 102. So it sold off about 11-12%. And now it looks like the bulls are back. I mean, they never left. They took a little bit of a break there. But now it looks like clearly we're up 3.5% on the day. We're bouncing off this 50 moving average on the 4-hour chart. That's very good news. So Shopify could be going higher, maybe 115.60 could hit at some point this week. That's kind of where we're pointing. And obviously, we have a shorter week this week. It's a holiday week. We have Thanksgiving. But it's still a week where action could take place in the stock market. And obviously, we're seeing it today. I mean, there's a lot of green. We're moving across the board. Russell's breaking out. Dow all-time high. Shopify continues to move. We have stocks like Micron up 2.5% on the day. We're trying to break out on Micron. This one is showing a bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see it? If I pull up the 10-day, you might be able to see it. Maybe on the 20-day a little bit better. There you go. You guys see it right here. We have the left shoulder, boom. Head's right here, boom. Right shoulder's right here. You guys see that? It's actually starting to play out a little bit right now. So I think MU Micron could definitely be one that moves even higher here towards $110, $112, $113 a share. That's kind of what I'm noticing. On this time frame, on the 4-hour chart, we notice a very distinct resistance over the last couple of months, right around 113 and 115. So it looks like here, clearly, we put in a higher low. You guys see that right here. We put that in very obviously. Now we're starting to pop. I think we could play in this gap right here. No doubt about it on MU. Right here. This could be where the money's made, between 105 to 112, 13, 15. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to go too crazy on this, but let's just say, starting off the holiday week, Monday, we're looking good. Russell, Dow, all-time highs. S&P, QQQ, they're moving. What more can we ask for, man? Cheers to that. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Join the email list. It's free. Link down below. Check out the Patreon if you guys want to see me build out my private portfolio. I actually just bought more stock today. And if you want some free stocks, you know where to go. Check out the Moomoo link down below. Depending on how much you deposit, you get a bunch of free stocks, guys. 5 free stocks and $30 with a $100 deposit. And with a $1,000 deposit, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. So, guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you. Cheers in the next video. Peace out.